Ho ho, holy smokes, it's the last Accountech Bytes of 2023. Join me, Accounting Web's technology editor Tom Herbert, as we race through our roundup of the world of accounting technology in 5 minutes. It was the Christmas party last night, so I'm not on sparkling form, but we'll get through this together. Now, what was the big news this week? Well, we're going to ring that AI gong straight away. It's back, it's fixed, it is ready for action, and also ready for action, or nearly ready for action, should I say, is tech startup Genesis AI. That's got some pre-seed funding of $1 million to elevate the role of bookkeepers and accountants with an artificial intelligence co-pilot called Jack. So employees or clients can use Teams, Slack, email, WhatsApp to ping invoices or expenses into the system, and it will perform various back office tasks, reconciliation, so line items, VAT, general ledger codes, and eventually even auto approve and make payments. So congratulations to everyone involved there. Now, I think this is a first at tax tribunal, so a taxpayer lost a tribunal appeal after a judge discovered that the 9 cases she'd cited in her reasonable excuse defence actually didn't exist. She'd been on ChatGPT and it had generated them for her. So yeah, some spicy action in the comments there. What's next? The podcast. So, Accounting Technology Year in Review. Billy McLaughlin and John Toon joined me to discuss a wide variety of stuff that happened this year. So artificial intelligence in accounting tech, AML tools, the gap between the tech haves and have-nots, widening, lots of other things. Besides, you can listen via the link in the description to this video or search for Accounting Web wherever you get your podcasts. And here's a little social clip of the three of us rabbiting away there. Now, mentioning John and Billy, they are both speakers at the Festival of Accounting and Bookkeeping. So this is 13th and 14th of March 2024 at the NEC in Birmingham. I'll be there too. I might even bring the AI gong along. So yeah, book early to avoid disappointment. What's next? Iris Pay. So this is a partnership between Iris and embedded finance provider Unipass. So this gives cash flow customers the opportunity to generate payment links. So you can send it via various channels, so email, text, QR code, and you can also add pay now buttons on your invoices. So nice one. Speaking of Iris, Bloomberg and Yahoo Finance reporting that private equity house KKR is in talks to buy them off HG. It's a £3 billion deal, sources say. Purely speculation at this point. Now, what's next? Procurement software startup Pivot. So this is a French procurement software tool. They've raised another $20 million just a few months after raising in 5. And interesting. I mean, it's talking about it being a spend management solution that supposedly works better than NetSuite or Coupa, but they're going in hard on the integration. I think that's what caught my eye here. So a no-code interface, lots of customization options, Slack and Teams. So I think a lot of criticism of previous iterations of cloud tools have been around inflexibility and a lack of integration. So the new tools seem to have got the message there. And finally, the Microsoft Excel Championships wrapped up in Las Vegas last weekend with Andrew the Annihilator Nagai winning his 3rd straight title. And I would urge anyone with a passing interest in Excel to watch some of the commentary. It is sensational. So do check that out if you can. That's it for 2023. Thank you to everyone for watching these videos, liking them, sharing them, coming up to me at conferences and talking about, well, the videos, mainly the AI gong, but the videos as well sometimes. But it's hugely appreciated. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to stay on top of the world of accounting technology in 2024, do consider signing up for my email. Pop your address in the box and let the yellow button do the work. If you're watching on the socials, like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in 2024. Bye for now.